3 p.m. on Tuesday, May 14th, 2013. And this is the update on the Azores planets that we're seeing here. And this is a image that came in at 1911 their time, Azores time. We've got two objects there. And anyway, I'll just go through the images so you can see them. So they're sort of out of order, because I was in a hurry to make this, but this is the one of the latest ones, right before the sun went down. And this one too, this was the latest one, 1956. It just is starting to lose the sun. So anyway, this is about where it is in relationship to the sunset, darkness, the line of darkness right there. And a few minutes ago, this line would have been farther back here when this first started being made. And the darkness has crept this way, eastward, as we've been making the movies. And so, anyway, that's about where it is. And then, let's see. Also, this is where on the plate tectonics that it is. Here's the Eurasian plate and the African plate, and this is the rift, and here is the North American plate over here. Okay, and this one was one of the first ones I took. It wasn't the very first one, but it was one of the first ones. I'm just going to run through them real quick so you don't have to look at the other video. There's another one of the first ones. And it says 1921 because that's the time that Portugal or Spain, that this Meteosurf company is out of, so they're using their time, but it's really earlier, the Azores time. It's about an hour earlier there than it is there. So that's one of the very first one. When I first saw it, it's distorted, but I went on and used it anyway since it was the first one I got. Same one. Oh no, this one was 20 minutes later. And then I found the website and I started having better pictures, and this one was one of the, from the original website, so it's a little bit higher def than the other one was. Here's a close-up of it, the same one. You can see this indentation in the middle here. And it'll roll around on some of the other pictures. You won't be able to see that dark indentation right there. It won't be on some of the other pictures, so look at it closely. See, there it is. It's gone off that one. But this one is showing an indentation here. And it also looks like this is coming out of the sun. It almost looks like it's coming out of the sun. Like some kind of a swirl pattern. Like it might be sucking energy off the sun or something. And that's just another close-up of the first ones that we've been looking at. This one's a little bit later than those other ones. This is the original Azore time, 1926, and I'll blow it up so you can see it. So, oops, got too far. Seeing it starting to touch the water as we progress on with time. The later it gets, the closer to the water that it gets. And this is 1906, so it's above the water there, so it was one of the earlier pictures, one of the first ones. When I said the swirl pattern looked like it was sucking energy off the sun, this is the same picture. I just had them all jumbled up. They're not in any very good order. Okay, this is later in time. This one's at 1931 Azore time, and it's touching the water. That means it's later in time.